and welcome back to my channel. If you hear a little bit of an echo, I'm in my bathroom because I got an exciting delivery that I thought that I would unbox and share with you guys. So I just recently placed an order with Clinique. Now, I have been a longtime lover of Clinique products, especially, let me open my medicine cabinet. The Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I have used this literally since my mom first took me to a department store when I was like a teenager and started a skincare line. This has always been my go-to. I've been a lover of Clinique products forever. And so I thought I'd go online and investigate a few things. I used to use their cleansing line religiously when I was younger, and then I switched over to the Body Shop. But you know what, now I'm kind of getting bored and I'd like to try something different. I'm gonna show you all the goodies that I got. There's also a free gift if you purchase a certain amount. So I'll show you what's inside. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel, my name is Angela. I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. I am a mommy of a little 4-year-old girl, and I'd like to give you all my tips and tricks on how to make the best out of the ordinary. So I would love it if you would click that subscribe button. Also, remember to hit that like, share, and notification bell. Okay, let's get into this big box because there is quite a box of goodies and some new things that I've purchased. This looks super exciting. I am so excited. I love Clinique products. You know, my skin can be really sensitive, and I find that their products always work with my skin really well. If I change anything up, especially if I start adding like heavy creams or like under eye cream, I know I'm aging, but if I use under eye cream, I get such a rash. It almost like burns my eyes, but Clinique products always work every single time. Okay, so let me walk you through this box. Now, the reason why I went on Clinique in the first place is their skincare line. So I usually use the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil line. I've used that for quite a few years, but I just feel like my skin's looking a bit dull. It's kind of looking like it needs a change and a freshen up, so I'm gonna go back to the Clinique line. To start off, I have this Clinique Liquid Facial Soap Oily Skin Formula because, yeah, I am so oily, especially in my T-zone. I still experience breakouts even though I am 38. I thought that that'd be over with, but it definitely isn't. So I'm gonna give this a try. And then obviously their toner, they call it their clarifying lotion, twice a day exfoliator. This is the number 3 in their range. And this is for people who have like combination oily skin. So I'm gonna give this a try again. Now the cool thing is on the Clinique website is that you can actually get a subscription and you can choose how many weeks in between your purchase. Well, I subscribe to their facial cleansing line and I'm getting a delivery every 6 weeks because usually that's how long it takes me to go through things. So I thought I'd give this a try and see how it goes. I'm just praying that I don't break out. Obviously, when you change skincare lines, you usually get a little bit of breakout, but my skin, I think, just needs a good change. Okay, I got another Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. So I still have some left in here, but I never like to run out. This just makes, it goes on so silky smooth. I'll just show you. It goes on so silky smooth. And the gel formula, it doesn't feel thick or cakey. It absorbs right away. It doesn't leave a film behind. I just absolutely love it. If I've had like dry patches, especially after I've had like an acne breakout, it always really helps with the healing as well. So yeah, I can't recommend this product enough. So I have a backup, which is great. All right. So this was a free gift that I got because I purchased a certain amount. So this is the Clinique Pepstart 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser, which I thought would be good because like I said, I'm feeling a little dull. I need to like wipe the winter off. So I thought that this would be really great to try. Okay, then this. So now this is different. I've never tried this product. It is a Super Primer Color Corrects. I usually use the Stila Stay All Day Primer, but I thought that I would give this a try. It's supposed to go on really smooth and color correct, especially any dark areas. I have some acne scarring and obviously bags, hashtag mom life. So I'm gonna give this a try and then I'll let you guys know how I enjoy everything. Okay, next up, I got some self tanner. Now I'm gonna show you these products. This is still the same bottle from last year that I got. The Saint Tropay Self Tan Bronzing Water Face Mist. I have used this religiously. I use this twice a week and I spray it all over, and the smell is beautiful and it gives me just a nice healthy glow. So I do love this. I highly recommend it. But I've heard some really good things about the Clinique Self Sun Face Tinted Lotion. So because I like all of their skincare line, so I think that I'm gonna give this a try to hopefully give me some nice summer glow. Okay, then I got the body self tanner as well. I do use the Saint Tropay body tan. I don't know if I'm in love with it. I don't think I've actually ever found a self tanner that I've completely loved, but I thought that I'd try this Self Sun just to give me a little bit of a glow. It's the body tinted lotion because you know what? Until I get my, until I get some sun, especially on these legs, I never feel great about myself, which is weird to say, but I think this will help me out. Okay, next up, and obviously very important, is sunscreen. I do already have a Neutrogena face mist sunscreen that I do use regularly. I've used the Clinique sunscreen in the past on my face and I really enjoy it. I have this Neutrogena. I like a mist better, but they don't have a mist in Clinique. However, they have a mist for the body. So I thought that I would give that a try. I've noticed, especially in this area, that I'm starting to get a little bit of wrinkles and lines, which means I'm getting older. So I need to take better care of my skin, and I heard really good things about this. It's a sheer body mist. It's SPF 30. It's Clinique. It's a good brand. It's reliable. I thought that I'd give it a try, especially on areas here. I find if sunscreen's too thick and greasy here, then I break out. So hopefully this will not break me out. Okay. Then let's talk about foundation. So I don't like a lot of thick, cakey foundation. At the moment, I am using the Stila Stay All Day foundation, and that's really good for winter time. However, I have used the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15 for a while. What I like is that they have so many colors. However, I actually get 2 colors, and then I mix and match these colors throughout the season depending on how tan that I get, and it really helps me actually create like almost like a personalized foundation. So I got the first color. I'll show you guys. The first color I get is in the 01 Alabaster VFN. So this is quite light, and this is what I usually use for my base because I can get quite pale. But then to give me a little bit of color, I use the WN22 Ecru color, and this gives me a little bit of warmth. So when I mix these 2 colors together, especially as the season goes on, I find that I have really good base, and I find that I can get a really good foundation that matches my skin really well, so I don't get that line, because I really want warmth in my skin right now, craving summer. So that's my trick for you guys, especially with Clinique. This goes on so light, it's not greasy, especially if you're a greasy, oily girl like me. These really, really help your skin breathe. It stays on well all day. For my job, I'm quite active, so it really helps and it holds up. Yeah, I can't get enough of this product. I've used this for a few years, and every summer I always go back to this, so check it out. It's the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. Okay, then I kind of got this to be nostalgic. So you know when you're a teenager and your mom brings you to the department store to get a new eyeshadow? This is one of the first color eyeshadow palette that my mom ever got me, and I love it. Now I don't like a lot of bright, crazy colors. It's usually like browns, neutrals, golds, pinks. That's kind of where I stick. So this is the perfect little palette. So the pink is Seashell Pink, and then the brown, it's called Fawn Satin. I absolutely love this. It was my go-to for years, and I forgot about it. And when I saw it again on the website, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta try it again. Because even today, like I just have some like golds and just really neutral colors. Anyways, my eyeshadow is old in my makeup bag and it needs to get tossed out. So I thought that I would get a new one. I got some new lipsticks. I kind of struggled with if I even should bother because we all wear face masks now, and who really cares about lipstick colors? But I still got some because it makes me feel more put together. So the two that I got, I love these chubby sticks. I really, really do. So the first one, this is called A Whole Lot of Honey. Should I swipe? I've never done a swipe. This is called Whole Lot of Honey. So it just goes on really, really nice, and it just gives like a sheen of color there. And then the next one is called, which one's this one? This one is called Mega Melon. So I thought that this would be nice for the summer. So let me see if I can get a good swatch. So this is more like a coral, nice and beachy, sun-kissed look. This is more of a neutral, which I thought was great. And then because I spent a certain amount, you got free gifts. They were giving away lots of gifts. So I got this Almost lipstick in pink honey. Now I love their black honey, and that was like a staple for everybody, especially in the 90s growing up. I think that was, again, one of my first lipsticks that my mom got me. So I thought that this would be good. So this pink honey. So let's see. Oh yeah, really, really light sheen. So this is just, again, a good little neutral. I love all the Clinique lipsticks and Almost lipsticks. So yeah, I think I'm definitely set for the summer. I think I'm definitely set for the summer. All right, and then the last thing that I got for free was this tote bag. And I thought that that would be great because I like to put in all of Ava and I's sunscreens in a bag so that even if Mirk's taking her outside, he knows where everything is. So this will be our new sunscreen bag to take outside so that everything is in one place. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my little Clinique haul. I'm really excited. I love Clinique products. You know what? They are classic. Their skincare line's amazing. Their makeup is always on point. It's always lovely. It goes on nice. It doesn't affect my skin. And for this mama, I need simple, I need effective, and I need time-saving things. And Clinique always comes in and saves the day. So let me know down in the comments below what makeup you guys have been loving. And also check out Clinique, especially because they have such great deals on right now. Thanks for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day.